In my political career, I've had very, very few times I've been caught napping by the evil journalists like yourself. But just occasionally, you know what they're like, they set up a picture which is a less than progressive image of how you would like to be styled. And I was campaigning one day at Stirling University, and it was a hot, hot day, and I bought ice cream for the whole campaign staff, and a young student asked, and a journalist kind of entrenched the picture to take a bite of my ice lolly. Now, it was done in total innocence, but it looked absolutely dreadful. I spent the next week hiding the picture from Mrs. Salmond, for example. And of course, in these days, that was quite successful. It's one of only a very... Anyway, the BuzzFeed found this picture, blasted it all over, and started a search for this poor lady who had been a student in 1998. And bless her, she turned herself in, because obviously BuzzFeed thought, oh, she must be a secret amour from the past, obviously, or something like that. And this lady, who's now a very respectable housewife, working lady in Australia, you know, in her early 30s, with her children, a family. She wrote in to one of the other Scottish newspapers saying, I am that Solero girl. It was a totally innocent picture, and I still passionately believe in Scottish independence. So there. But you know, what...
Do you like Soleros?
That's the funny thing. No is the answer. That's probably why I was offering a bite. But you know, Robert Burns, Scotland's national poet, long before the age of social media, long before the age of really impish press, had a phrase for how to deal with stuff like that. He said, "The more they talk, the better I'm kent." So as far as I'm concerned, the more BuzzFeed talks, the better I'm kent.
Okay.